Yeah, look, I think with AI being a forcing function around how we manage and look at data, especially the hygiene, right, of the data that we are managing, um, a solid master data management platform and system of governance is essential if you're going to be in the data business, and IT obviously needs to be in the data business. So I really think every IT manager, CIO, has to now look at how they're implementing master data management, starting with their governance of that data, then looking at the administration of that data. Where is that data actually being housed, and who controls that single source of truth to make sure the hygiene of that data is going to be applicable to how it's going to be used in the company, right? Is it going to be used for financial reporting? Is it being used for work employee analysis? Is it being used to just look at key KPIs of how the company is actually performing? So having a solid master data management platform is the key today to making sure you could address a lot of the data problems that are inherently part of some of the struggles that we're having with AI, in making sure that AI is giving us what we expect in terms of the right answer, right? Bad data produces a wrong answer. So having good data, solid master data management is going to help solve a lot of the problems I think CIOs, IT managers are having today in dealing with the focus the business has now on data. So triangulating that data and understanding how that data is being archived, managed, administered, and keep in mind, again, if you have distributed systems around HR, sales, and finance, every one of those systems, the majority of them use a different database or a data format to manage their data. The identification of where the data is, the single source of truth, understanding how it's formatted there, what connectors need to be built to extract that data, right, into the repository you're looking to report from, okay? And that eventually will be key on how you could formulate a strategy on using that data for various other functions. Again, reporting, AI, or just using it in order to populate, like for instance, in Salesforce, we need financial data to continue to help salespeople understand opportunities, okay? So having the proper connectors that build APIs that allow us to populate other systems with valid data is another management or process function that you need to always be conscious of when you're looking at managing your data. Because what's happening now is that, for a long time, shadow IT really became a pseudo administrator of something. So you had this proliferation, right, of reporting that basically, people leave a company, they don't like that data, they don't like the report, it becomes orphaned in the system and not properly managed. So what I see as an incredible opportunity, AI is going to allow for natural language query against this data where I don't have to produce reports, right? AI would bring back that information to me in the format and with the context, hopefully, I'm looking to represent that data in. So to me, that eliminates the need for all this shadow IT that is ministering, managing the data, or producing these reports, because generative AI should allow the business user, the end user, to be gathering that information directly through an AI interface.